Introduction to build GenAI enhanced workflows that streamline the process of training, validating, and testing predictive models. Welcome to this session on using generative AI to improve your predictive modeling workflows. Today, you will learn how to build AI-assisted workflows that make model training, validation, and testing faster and easier to manage. These workflows help improve consistency and reduce manual effort. Why predictive model workflows need optimization. Building a predictive model involves more than choosing an algorithm. You need to prepare data, define metrics, tune hyperparameters, and test the model. Manual handling of these steps can be repetitive, slow, and prone to errors. Generative AI can simplify this process. It automates repetitive parts of the workflow, allowing you to focus on decision-making and model refinement. How GenAI fits into model development. GenAI can support you across all stages of the modeling process. It helps structure data pre-processing, generate training code, and set up validation and testing routines. It can even document the workflow it creates, reducing your workload further. This leads to workflows that are faster, more repeatable, and easier to manage at scale. Start with clear goals and clean data. Before involving AI, make sure your data is clean and well-structured. Set clear goals for your model, such as predicting churn or forecasting demand. Clear goals help GenAI choose appropriate techniques and build a relevant pipeline. For example, you can prompt, create a binary classification model using logistic regression. Include data split, training, and accuracy evaluation. Writing prompts to build the workflow. Start with a basic prompt to set up the workflow. Example: generate a training and validation pipeline using scikit-learn. You can build on this with add k-fold cross-validation, log accuracy and F1 score, and save the final model. To compare models, try the following. Compare random forest and gradient boosting based on validation accuracy. Streamlining validation with GenAI. Validation helps you test how well your model generalizes to new data. Instead of writing evaluation code manually, ask GenAI to generate it for you. For example, write a function to calculate accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Add more detail with include a chart comparing scores across different models or folds. This saves time and gives you quick insights for model improvement. Designing AI-driven testing routines. Testing ensures that your model performs well in different scenarios. Use GenAI to generate edge cases, outlier tests, or stress testing routines. Example prompt: create tests for handling missing values and detecting outliers in input data. You can extend it by asking add test cases for extreme conditions and unusual input patterns. This helps you prepare the model for real-world use. Real-world example: automating a credit risk model. Suppose you are building a credit risk model for a bank. GenAI can automate the setup of your training, validation, and testing pipeline. You could prompt, use random forest for classification, apply cross-validation, and monitor recall for high-risk cases. Then expand with add tests for customers with incomplete profiles or extreme income values. This reduces setup time and delivers results more efficiently. Reflect on your last project. Think about your last predictive modeling task. Which part took the most effort, training, validation, or testing? How much faster could you have moved with a GenAI-powered workflow? Best practices for GenAI model workflows: start with clear goals and use structured prompts. Validate all AI-generated outputs before using them in production. Document and reuse effective workflows across projects. Over time, create a library of GenAI-powered templates. This will help you respond faster to new modeling tasks. Prompting tips for better output. Be clear and specific in your instructions. Instead of build a model, say create a pipeline using XGBoost for multi-class classification. Include evaluation metrics and save the results. Precise prompts lead to better and more usable outputs. Conclusion: generative AI makes model development faster, more consistent, and easier to scale. It helps automate the steps of training, validating, and testing predictive models. By using GenAI wisely, you reduce manual work and improve outcomes. Thank you for joining this session. Start building your AI-powered workflows today and take predictive modeling to the next level.